Uncle Nudge here. Today I'm gonna ride to my destination. I'm at my house and gonna go down my driveway here. So I'm riding through the park here and I got one river and I noticed when I was here the other day that, I don't know if you can see it here, but there's red jasper in here. It's a pretty big river. So I'm not going to stop here, but it's a cool trail to get to the spot I'm going to. Record this, so I'm going, it's nice going through this trail. So I've got some people. Thank you. Nice wooded trail here. Nice and cool. It's 99 degrees today earlier, and definitely cooler now. But it's a scenic and cooler way to get to my destination. Okay, continuing on this trail, I've gone 1.24 miles and still got a ways to go, but nice ride. Feel a little bit of the coolness of the river. My last little stretch here, getting close to the river. Gone mile and 3/4. So go over this last bridge here and I'm gonna head down through this park. Okay, I'm down at the river, Skycomish River, and people down here barbecuing, whatever. And if you look across there, I'm gonna be over there, and I'll walk in that area with all the rocks and go across that bridge. You can see in the distance. So see you over there. Okay, I'm on my last stretch here, going across the bridge, mighty Skycomish River. It's really beautiful, and take this little side road up here. Don't see any other rockhounders today. Saw a couple yesterday. Probably just too hot. So let's see here. I think there's a gate. Yep. So, see if I can get around this without crashing. Get down this little beach road. Pretty sandy. River obviously used to be up here. Oh, this is tough. Okay, so if you look over there, that's where I was when I was pointing out over here. So I'm gonna check this out and go out here and do a little rock hounding. Got the drone up there, so gonna see what I can find here. Just have faith that that drone is gonna be fine where it's at. And seen some people rock hounding over here yesterday. And I know there's stuff here because I've been here. So, but I think I'm gonna go in the water. And I don't have boots on, but man, it's a hot day and oh, this water is cold. But I see the drone up there circling around. Maybe you can see it right up there. I think it's watching me okay, and so check out this water. Looks like maybe a couple of, oh, here comes a train over there. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty cool. It's an Amtrak headed to Eastern Washington. But I see, well, I got one quartzite agate here, and it looks like there's going to be more. So I don't know where the drone is. Maybe I should check up on it here. Oh, it's, yeah, there it is. It's behind me. So it's doing good. And I think I'm just going to look for some. There's some agates here. No. Yeah, they just polish up so nice. I wouldn't be surprised if that's what they were finding here yesterday. In this water, man, it looks like it stays shallow for a long time. This might be some red jasper here. Kind of. Might keep that for now. I mean, there's definitely some cool stuff in here. I'm just in one little section. So there's kind of something bigger here that's kind of interesting. Got like some rust on it, I think. Kind of cool. I don't know if this is green. I can't get that one out. Something red up here. Oh, this water feels good. So hot. Like I say, it's 99. It had come down by the time I left. It's probably 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening. And it's definitely cooled down a bit. So I don't know where my drone is again. Let's see if I see it here. Oh yeah, I see it over there. It's flying. Flying on the shore over there. So it looks like maybe an agate there. Sure, small. Way too small. Well, here's something man-made. What is it? A vape? Yeah, looks like a vape. I assume it's toast, but who knows? Really pretty mountains up there. You can't see them right now, but I mean, this river is at least 100 yards wide, and I know it gets deeper out there somewhere, but I think a person could maybe walk halfway across. I don't know. It does get harder to see down to the bottom. So I think I'll head back over, and I think the drone's still following me, but I don't know for sure, so I'm gonna check in on it. Yeah, it looks like it probably is. Hey drone, what's up, buddy? See, I'm gonna get up in the hills here real soon, but I got some other stuff going on, that another business venture that's happening tomorrow. So I had some preparation to do. I just haven't been able to get out, but looking forward to a trip, especially in this nicer weather. It's supposed to get down in the mid 80s. Be a little nicer, probably be even cooler up in the mountains. So but a lot of sun, so should get some cool footage and find some good rocks, because when the sun's out, even though there's a lot of trees up there, you have the potential to be able to see so many more rocks underwater. It's like night and day. Now, that doesn't mean you shouldn't hunt when there's not sun, but just makes it a lot easier to spot some really cool colored things. So, I mean, I haven't found anything big yet. I mean, I've only got a few rocks here, but someone left their water bottles. Not cool. But not really seeing a whole lot here now. feet are a lot cooler though, I know that. So I'm gonna check out what my drone's doing here. I don't know if it sees me anymore or not. I don't think it does. I think it's just flying around. So yeah, I found a few rocks. Nothing great. Right in here, mostly just agates. So, but it's kind of fun to ride down here and run the drone and ride my bike down here. So probably like pack up, and still plenty hot out here. And you know, this is within 2.5 miles of my place, so pretty easy to ride down here. Uncle Nudge signing out till next time. Thanks for coming. See ya.